We're here on a rainy afternoon in East Petaluma and just wanted to walk through this project that we have under construction here. So this is a large kind of level corner lot here, and what we're doing is prepping out some areas. This large area in front of me here is going to be a synthetic turf open area there, so a nice big lawn area there. And then we can see where this new paver patio, these are calstone large format pavers that have gone in this nice bond pattern. So we can see that nice new paver patio that's going to really expand. That was one of the goals of our design here, was to really create a bigger area for entertaining and to do something that would kind of be suitable for that. We can see over here, as we get a little bit closer into the patio, we've got 4 new piers that we've installed here to allow for a future pergola installation. So that could be a bolt-on Simpson tie that we use there to build off, but that's going to be phased out in the implementation. Right now we're just having the pavers and the new piece that comes in here. Let's go over to the front and we can kind of see we've got this fence line that's coming in here. We'll duck underneath there. So that fence line is going to be hog wire fence. We can see those wire panels that's sitting over there. And then on our entry, we've got another section of synthetic turf. So what we're looking to do here is have a low maintenance solution, something that's going to look good year round, but and be maintenance friendly here. You can see our prep work that's been done for the synthetic turf here. So what we've got here, this is a recycled base. So we've got our recycled base rack in here. And as we look at this, one of the important things that we do with synthetic turf installations is to install a double edging here. And what that means is if we go in and we look here, so we pull back the base, we've got our normal and our favorite 1/4 inch untreated steel edging in there. So that's gone in. You can see that's just starting to patina a little bit as it gets some moisture. So that steel edging is going to be our visible edging that will go to a nice neutral color, and that gives our edge and our border for the synthetic turf. And then that nailer, what that nailer does is just like a carpet nailer on an interior carpet project, is that gives a nailer that then we can stretch and secure the perimeters of our turf. And what that does is if we have movement in this bender board, if this moves up or down this steel here, that turf is going to follow and you're not going to get separation, which can happen with synthetic turf over time. So that's extra work to do that, but we find that over time, that really makes a big difference in terms of the longevity of the turf installation here. So you can see we've got all this prepped out and kind of ready for our planting. This is going to be, we've got an electrical step here. This is going to be a water feature on our entry here going into our patio, and then looking back across again at our pavers there. As we come through, we'll duck the string line there. As we come through, we can see we've got our Eimer saw that's set up. We're cutting our paving stones here. So we come in here, and then we're going to have kind of a garden chicken coop area. The poor chickens have been kind of pinned in here temporarily, but this area over against the fence here is going to become kind of their chicken run there. So this is Petaluma after all, so you got to have room for chickens. That's our overview of this project in progress in East Petaluma.